Impressive thing in Talikud Island. Balete tree. Okay. Alright guys, good morning. 10:30 a.m. and I want to show you a little bit, to show you around what place we stayed in the Talikud Island. So this place named Santa Cruz, and we rented the room in this house. This place looks like that. Okay. We have a big avocado tree. Oh yeah, I even can show you one avocado, the small one. Oh, there is another one. Yeah. It has some avocados on it, yeah. And we have a hammock, but we still didn't use it. Maybe today, I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this hammock. Oh, there is kind of veranda up there. That's nice. Guys, let's check it out. What do you think? I need to check it out, how it looks like from above. Oh, yeah, it's nice. Oh, another hammock. And you can sit here to breathe with the fresh air. We have a goat down there, some coconut trees. Nice view, isn't it, guys? At this place we are living now, but tomorrow morning we're gonna leave this place, and yeah, tomorrow morning we're gonna go back to Davao City for one overnight staying. Yes, and after that on Monday we have a flight from Davao to Manila and Manila to Palawan. We will stay for 1 week, for whole week, for 7 days in Palawan, Puerto Princesa. Maybe we will go to El Nido. I'm not sure because it's quite far from there, from Puerto Princesa, but we'll see. But today we're gonna explore a little bit this island. So stay tuned. Wow. Wow. Hey guys, we just decided to stop by this, the biggest tree that I ever seen in my life. How do you call this one? This tree? Balete?
Balete.
Balete?
I'm not sure if I'm not mistaken.
Oi, what's that?
Chicken.
Ah, the small chickens. Okay. Oh my God.
I'm not sure
Just
if this one is balete. I'm not sure.
it's gigantic. Wow. Look at this size, guys. I don't know. It's like from a kind of movie. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This, you can live inside this tree. Of course, just I'm joking, but oh my gosh. Wow. You know, baby, it's like from the Avatar. And it's maybe it's Awa from Avatar. Wow. Wow. It has so big roots. You can see, guys. It goes here and there and everywhere. Just I want to go around this tree. Balete tree. Okay. Wow. The age of this tree, I just do not know how old it is. I think it's more than 500 years, definitely, because look at these roots. Just it's everywhere. The roots are huge. Wow. Wow. Sorry guys, but oh, I'm so impressed. Sorry. I'm so impressed to see this kind of plant. Oh my goodness. Can you see? My gosh. Wow. Huh? Tabi, what does it? What's that? inside this? Maybe, okay. Maria Scherer just told me that you can call somebody from inside. Maybe somebody, maybe something lives inside this. I don't know. Is this roots or what? Guys, it looks so weird and so beautiful at the same time. Can you see it? Check it out, guys. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. This is really the most impressive thing that I ever seen before. With this balete tree is the most impressive thing in Talikud Island. I'm sure 100% you have to see it. It's huge, you can see from there. It's like it's local Awa. This is local Awa tree. I wanted to sit here, but a lot of ants. I don't want to sit on them. So beautiful, just gorgeous. Off-road, guys, off-road. Oh my god. Wow. Big adventure. Yeah. Now you need to climb off-road. Yes. La Isla Bonita. Crazy. Yeah. Our off-road adventure. Wow. Woo. It's okay. It's okay, babe. Just hold. Oh my god, guys. I'm stuck. Just stuck. And just craziness. Just craziness. Oh my. Yeah. I'm gonna take my motorbike like this. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we are at Costa Beach.